welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a look at a reintroduced Phoibos Voyager, one of their most popular divers that is now back in stock and with new color options. I went with this red one and I must say it is a looker. The red is rich and changes with the light as the dial has both a sunburst and fumee effects. Thanks to the latter, the diamond-shaped applied markers really stand out and the whole watch sparkles as you move it around. The other more important benefit is the excellent legibility. Despite being called Voyager and despite coming with a GMT bezel, this is just a regular three-hander with a date, powered by a Seiko NH35. Which I would be okay with since the bezel is using a 12-hour insert, so you really can track a second time zone and just need to know whether you're tracking AM or PM time. But the reason I'm not okay with it is the fault of Phoibos themselves. When you go to their website and get to the Voyager page, you're greeted with a render of a red GMT with bicolor bezel. And until I saw that mock-up, I really liked the look of this. But after seeing just how good that one looks, it made this one look more bland. Don't get me wrong, this is still a gorgeous watch, and I especially love the red on black date disc. It may not be the most legible out there, but it looks so cool and somehow sinister while matching perfectly the whole color scheme of the watch and the red triangle on the bezel that I simply don't care. Date is not something I have to know at a glance and not something I check several times a day, so making it just slightly less legible as a price to pay for making it incredibly cool is one I'm more than willing to pay. Talking about payment, this is a $300 watch that you can drop to $250 until the end of June, and for that price, it is a spec monster. As the bezel is ceramic, crystal is sapphire, and the bracelet is excellent with solid links, solid end links, and a milled out clasp. The only thing missing to make it perfect is on-the-fly adjustment on the said clasp. The watch itself is 39mm in diameter, which makes it even more to my liking, as it looks pretty much perfect on my 6.5-inch wrist, and is relatively short lug-to-lug at 45, which means that even with the protruding end links of the bracelet, it is still under 50, making it fit most people out there. The one dimension I don't like is the thickness, which gets even more accentuated due to the 39mm case. At 14mm, this is one chunky watch that you will feel on your wrist. Luckily, the bracelet is also one of the thickest I've seen, so it kind of balances the watch out. If this was a $350 to $400 watch, I would probably be pissed about the few flaws I mentioned. But at $250, it really isn't fair to complain, especially given the high finish quality of everything, the amazing lume, and the sheer beauty of the thing. I just wish I never saw the mock-up of that gorgeous GMT on their webpage. It looks so amazing that it diminishes the beauty of this. It's like meeting a beautiful girl only to find out she has an even more beautiful, funny, and smart sister. Luckily, this is just a watch, so I can keep hoping Phoibos actually releases the mock-up from their webpage. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.